This video we're going to learn how to create a contact group for mailing a list to a list of people in our Outlook. We're on Windows 7 and we're using Outlook 2010. We're going to start in the MyMB section, going to our class list. So we click on the class page, and from there we're going to click on the button for the roster. In the roster page, we will then find at the top the button for parents, assuming we're going to email the parents. And we get this window for composing a message to parents, but we're going to instead click this little link that says send via email, and you click it twice, and then it'll show all their addresses down here, and you just click the button for semicolon because Windows version of Outlook needs to have semicolons between all the addresses. So I'm going to select these, copy them, and then go and launch Outlook. And when Outlook opens, we're going to paste in the addresses that we copied from MyMB into a contact group in Outlook. And I'll show you how. There's a couple of different ways of getting into the window for creating a new contact group. I'm going to just point out both of them. So the first way is to, if you're in the email panel like we are right here, you'd go up to the new items. Not the new email. Yeah, new items, not new email. New items, which is right there. And you will scroll down to more items, and contact group is the second item in that list. That's one way to get there. Another way to do it, the same way to do it, is to go down to the bottom here and click on the contacts, open up the contacts panel, and now the buttons up at the top have changed, and this button says new contact group. So we'll open that up. We need to add members to the contact group. We're going to select from address book, and we're actually not taking anything from the address book. We're just going to go down and paste in the addresses that we copied in this space down here. Click OK, and they will show up in the new contact group. And now we just need to give it a name. You can call it whatever you want. This is sort of a nickname for the group. And then you would save it. And now, just to demonstrate, we're going to go back to Outlook, open the mail panel, click for a new email message, and I'm going to want to put these emails into the BCC field because they contain everybody's addresses, and so rather than let everybody see them. If you don't see the BCC field, you would use the options panel up here and show BCC. And this way, when they receive the email, they don't see other people's email addresses. So I start typing, it shows me the name of the list I created. I'll put my email address in the to field, so you do need to have something there. So the message will go to you, and that way you've got a copy of your communication, you've got a record of it. And then you just compose your email as usual and send it, and it will go to all of the people in that 6th grade list.